Noise. It's raining outside. It's like raining actually really hard, so sorry about that. Basically, this trick is really cool. If you're liking the hot streak, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like, and also tell me in the comments if there's any professional tricks that you want me to tell you how to do methods on. Just leave them in the comments and I'll look at it. Don't forget to subscribe and like if you're loving the hot streak uploads. And yeah, let's get on with the trick. So before even the trick begins, I have a prediction already written. Yep, before even the trick begins, there's already a prediction, which is like, wait, what? But we haven't even done anything. I know. I'm going to set it inside the bicycle red box and set it right there in the corner of the screen so that you can see it at all times. Now in my hand, I have a red bicycle deck, and I'm going to hand it to you, the spectator, and you're going to shuffle it up however you like. So the spectator, which is you, can shuffle it as many times as you want until you feel satisfied. Shuffle it. You can even cut it a few times. Cut it as many times as you want. And even just one last riffle shuffle if you want to do it. So after they're done and they're satisfied with the shuffling, they hand the cards back to you. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay down 2 pairs of cards each time. This pile is going to be the red pile, this pile is going to be the black pile, and if 2 of the same cards are both pairs of reds or blacks, they go in either the red or black pile. If they're mixed, they go in the middle, and we don't care about them. So let's go ahead and do that. So 1, 2, these are mixed, 1, 2, these are mixed, 1, 2, these are mixed, 1, 2, these are black, 1, 2, these are mixed, 1, 2, these are mixed, 1, 2, these are black, so they go in the black pile, 1, 2, these are red, so they go in the red pile, 1, 2, these are mixed, 1, 2, these are mixed, so they go right there, 1, 2, these are mixed. You get the basic idea, so I'm going to speed it up until it's all done, and then I'll come back to you in a second. Last card is black, so we put it over here. Now we're just going to square up all the piles just like this. So now that the piles are all squared up, we are going to look at how many red cards are in the red pile and how many black cards are in the black pile, and we're going to write down the number on these 2 pieces of paper right here. So let's go ahead and count the red cards, and we don't care about the mixed up cards. They're irrelevant. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 cards in the red pile, so I'm going to head and going to put 8 on this piece of paper right here. I'm going to put it right there in front of the red pile. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually says 8 on it. And then now for the black pile, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13 cards in the black pile. I'm going to go ahead and write that down. Now remember, you the spectator cut it and shuffled all the deck and all that stuff. How could I have known that there would be 8 paired up red cards and 13 paired up black cards? Now that that's out of the way, we're going to go ahead and subtract this. So 13 minus 8 is 5. Yes, I did the math correctly. I had to think about that for a second, but it is in fact 5. I'm going to go ahead and go to the prediction that I have right here in the box. And what if I actually predicted the number difference? And look at that, I did. I said there are 5 more black cards. And there are 5 more black cards. As you can see, there are 13 black cards and there are 8 red cards. Go ahead and do the math if you think I did it wrong. Okay, now on to how to do the trick, and I will be back in a second. Bye. So spectators shuffled the cards and did everything. They handled the cards and everything, and they could have even dealt down the cards in pairs, but I did it myself, and I usually do it myself because they don't really understand the directions. But it still ended up, I predicted how many would be paired up and how much more black cards there would be than red cards. Now what's the secret to the trick? The secret are these cards right here. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what you're wondering, what do those cards have to do with anything? These 5 cards were originally in this deck right here that I had showed out. So this deck, all right here, had these 5 cards in them, which are all red cards, by the way, which I took out. Choose any number you want of black or red cards, say like 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. Choose any number, but don't choose a number too high to where they can actually notice it not being a full deck. And the single digit range would be good. And once you figure out a number that you want, go ahead and take that number of cards only out of one color in the deck. So for example, if you want the number 3, you would take out 3 black cards from this deck right here. So I wanted the number 5, so I took out 5 red cards right here. So now the trick is the trick, basically. You just do the trick exactly how I showed you, and it turns out that there's 5 more black cards than red cards. This will work every single time. Whatever number of the color that you take out, it will be that much more in the other color. I'll show it to you again. So how about if I only want 3 of the red cards out? I take 2 of them, put them back, and I go ahead and cut up the deck and everything just like this. And they don't see these 3. So now the spectator can mix up the cards however they want. They can riffle shuffle it. They can, I don't know, cut it. They can do whatever they want. It really doesn't make a difference. I don't know how, but it just is part of the trick. I guess it's a mathematical thing or something like that. So after they're done shuffling the cards and they're satisfied, you already wrote down, since I took 3 of the red cards out right here, that there are going to be 3 more black cards than red cards, okay? So after you wrote that down and put it somewhere, have them hold on to it, sit on it, eat it, something like that. Not eat it because you need it at the end of the prediction. What you do is the same exact thing that I do. You deal down after they're done shuffling. You don't do anything. Just deal down 2. And if the 2 are a pair, like red and red or black and black, you put them in the black pile. If they're neither, you put them in the middle. So I'm going to go ahead and do this, and then I'll see you when I'm done. So now that I've dealt all the cards, you just square up all the cards just like this in front of their face. Show them that you're not doing anything sneaky, that your hands are empty, whatever magical gesture. You count out the cards in each pile. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 red cards. 11 red cards. And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We have 14 black cards, which is 14 minus 11 equals 3, which is the 3 red cards that we took out. It always works. Trust me. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.